What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to HERSTYLEZ TV. I'm back with another video. All right, let's get the words together. All right, so I know I'm looking a little rough, but that's why we're here. Because me and this hair have been going through a little something. So for the past week, I've been wearing this little, well, not this bonnet, but my little beanie little hat. And yeah, and I'm like, I can't be walking around with a hat on all the time. So I'm gonna go back to when I first was natural and I was wearing protective styles. That's what we're going back to. So this style is just gonna be a simple twisted style. Some flat twists with a little individual twist up front, and then I'll let the twist out for a nice twist out. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today, because when I was younger, I used to wonder why hairstylist hair wasn't done. And me being a hairstylist now, I understand. Because I don't be feeling like doing my hair after doing everybody else's hair. I love doing hair. I love it. But for me, I just be like, put it in a puff, throw some twists in it, just go by my day. But no, we can't be doing that, sis. We can't be doing that. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Coming to you with a simple twisted style. All right, folks. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a video, and let's just get right into it. All right, so I went ahead and sectioned myself off, and let me tell you, I know some of these parts not straight, but it's a struggle trying to part your hair in the back straight like a clean part. That's the struggle. So I did the best I could. So we just gonna get this started. All right, okay. Detangle, I'm gonna use my iStyles eye condition leave-in conditioner and detangler, because my hair been in big twists for about a week, and so yeah, it needs to be detangled. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, guys, so to detangle, I am using the Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush. I love this brush because it's more sturdier than the ones you probably see on Instagram with the movable bristles. This one is not as flimsy, because to me they're flimsy. But yeah, that's what I use to detangle. And then after detangle, I'm using my iStyles iFormit styling foam. I like using styling foam because it's lightweight, it gives movement, and it's also moisturizing as well. So yeah, that's what I use to twist. And I'm also going to use, what you'll see here soon, along with the styling foam, I like to use the iPop Curls Curl Defining Gel just for the hold for my twist. So there you see that. All right, back to it. right, so the twists are done, and like you see, it's just 5 chunky flat twists. And now for the pinning. I call it the tuck and pin. And let me tell you, this was not easy doing it. Well, it was kind of easy, but still. Not being able to see back there in the back, just feeling. I haven't done this in a long time, so it was a little difficult, but I got it done. So I'm just using some hairpins to tuck it and pin it so it'll be a little cute and out of the way. All right. All right, so me being silly, now we're at the top. And here again, I'm using the same 2 products, the iStyle iFormit styling foam and the iPop Curls curl defining gel. Like I said, I always like to put a little gel, not that much, just a little gel, just to give it a hold. So it's gonna last a little longer, but yes, that's all I'm doing, and twist away. All right, folks, so I'm done. Look at those twists and look at that shrinkage. The black girl hair magic. That's what I call it. But anyway, I wore these twists for a couple days because I like wearing my twists longer than one day. And then boom, there's the finished look. I just did a little twist out in the front and a nice, simple style, easy, low maintenance. Just put on your bonnet, wake up, shake, fluff, and go. That's my type of hairstyle. But anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a video. Thumbs up if you like my reaction. Comment. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok at HERSTYLEZ15. All right, folks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.